sitting on the cyberspace and doing the keyboard revolution. We do things. Right now I'm linking out with Swag City. There's a brother here. He's promoting event concept. It's also Rastafarian, so you know he's doing his thing. So I'm trying to see if we can collaborate with him, how we can do things together. So that's Jawan here, as you see him. Yeah, that's the brother. Yeah, Jawan. Introduce yourself to the people, Africans worldwide.
Bless up, Ghana, Mama Africa. I'm man from Jamaica, Ghana, Jamaica, but you don't know the Africa, the motherland. Them take I man kings and queens from long and bring to the Caribbean. But I man know where I come from, no say Africa the foundation.
Africa the foundation. Black the foundation.
And I really think I man is our Ashanti. So big up all the Ashanti in Ghana. You hear me? Big up all the Ashanti in Ghana. And me say when them take her from the mother Africa land and then bring me to the Western Hemisphere. Out of the righteous people and build a new nation. Me know what's them plan and them intention. Them new world order fi control the nation. Me wonder where them get all them salvation from misleading the people. Them bound fi get a beating. Big up on yourself,
yeah, big
Africa,
up, big up, big up. Africans worldwide.
Rastafari.
Africans worldwide,
Ja
brother.
Equal one.
Greetings to you, brother. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Ja equal one. Ja equal one, Mama Africa. Ja equal one mean it doesn't matter who you are, we are one. And print the logo. Equal. And this man face when me are wear is the great prophet named Marcus Garvey.
That's the prophet.
Go on Google and check out Marcus Garvey.
Economic empowerment.
Yeah,
Economic
man.
empowerment. Marcus Garvey. You can see it raw, man. See the t-shirt there, John one? You see that one there? It's all label. It's all brand. All brand is John one. It's John one, the Africans worldwide working together.
Let them say look. Alpha Blondie. Bob Marley son. K plus Dan.
See all that?
Yeah, man.
We're doing bigger things. Bigger things. We're not just on the internet. You know? We're doing bigger things. You know, see? You see? We got bigger things. You hear me? The Africans worldwide. We're moving forward. We're not just there doing keyboard revolution. I'll tell you all. It's not about keyboard revolution. It's about taking action to change the narratives about our people in the limelight. You understand? So this is what I'm just collaborating with him to get some, you know, some share in the business, how we do, so that we can promote you all over. It's about Africans worldwide. All right? So this event happening right now, hosting event. You see that also? That's the event happening soon. 10th December. You see that? That will be on the line soon. Africans worldwide. We're doing things. We're not just on the cyberspace. We're on the ground too. You see that?
Make them see this at Ures. Ticking jaw. And we watch Ja equal one.
You know that one?
Ticking jaw.
You know that too?
Ticking jaw.
See that?
Ticking jaw. Ticking jaw. Ticking jaw.
That's one. That's one. And we're doing things. So stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Ticking jaw.
International.
Ticking jaw.
International.
Ticking jaw.
Understand? Alright? Alright, bless up, people. Bless up, wake up.
Wait.
Africans worldwide.
Africa music too.
Wake up. You know? We're promoting all Africans worldwide. You know? We're promoting everything, man. See that big stuff, man. That big stuff. You got shoes here. You know? There's a Diaspora. You got everything happening. No? Big one. Big time. See all of it. Let me take you around 360. I'm taking you at 360 degrees so you know what we're talking. You see that? I'm taking you all over. Walking you all over. So you see, I'm all outside, taking you outside again. So that you see the entry. Swag City. It's called Swag City. See what's happening? Alright? That's the shop. All of it. So stay tuned. I'll bring you news when I'm back in Ghana. I'm also from Togo. Linking up with my people all over where we go. It's Africans worldwide. With Jah One working together to promote the motherland, Africa mama.
You can check out jahone.com. jahone.com. Read about what Jah equal one mean. Yeah, man, and the revolutionary mark. The only thing Nike have over our mark, this logo, is money. But the meaning where this logo have, Nike cannot come close to it. That's what I say.
We take it over.
Yeah,
we
now
take
it back.
Take
See, the only thing Nike have over this logo is just money.
Yes.
But the meaning what this mark have, the equal, Nike can't come close to it. I'm going to ask you one question, Africans. We have to wake up the thing, you know. If you have a man going to offer you two choices, but you have to pick one. And him say, yo, I give you abundance of wisdom. And the next one him say, I give you $10 million. Which one would you choose?
Wisdom.
Thank you very much. Wisdom.
We stand for wisdom.
This mark is wisdom.
Money comes and go. Wisdom lasts forever till you die.
Listen me now.
That's called mental revolution. Mental revolution.
Hold it. The money never make you all. You make the money.
You make the money.
So choose wisdom over the money.
You're the creator.
With the wisdom, you can create anything.
That's the power. That's the tool.
This is wisdom. That equal one.
All right. You stay tuned, brother. Yeah. Greetings, Africans worldwide. Africans worldwide.